Every eye is fixated on the expected arrival of DeepSeek V4. But while the spotlight stayed on the east, something significant moved in the south. India has entered the race. No glittering keynote, no cryptic posts from a billionaire CEO. Just a decisive move that could shift the balance. A release from Sarvam AI, two heavy-hitting open-weight models, Sarvam 30B, Sarvam 105B. We noticed, of course, a lot of people asking us in the comment section, mentioning, how do we access it? Well, the answer to that, it is currently available on the Hugging Face and AI Kosh, and of course, the link is in the description. Hope you, of course, enjoy exploring. We believe that the Made in India tag just got a massive upgrade. First, it's worth pointing out, of course, what these models are not. They are not simple wrappers built on top of existing systems. The Sarvam 30B model uses grouped query attention, a design aimed at improving how the model handles large workloads. Its larger counterpart, Sarvam 105B, uses multi-head latent attention, often referred to as MLA. That architecture gained attention after it was used in systems like DeepSeek. So, why does that matter? Because long context windows play enormous pressure on GPU memory. MLA changes how that memory is used. It compresses the load, which can of course make systems faster to run and cheaper to operate. The result is not simply another model release. It actually suggests that Sarvam AI is focusing on the underlying engineering as much as the model itself. So the obvious question is quite simple. Does it actually perform, or is this just another ambitious announcement? The early numbers offer some answers. The Sarvam 105B appears to hold its ground against much larger systems. We are of course talking about comparisons with models like GPT OSS 120B and also Qwen 3 Next 80B. In several tests, the results are surprisingly close. Coding, however, remains a tougher benchmark. If your goal is generating a Python application in seconds, the established tools still have the advantage. But on the agentic reasoning front, on the TOT2 benchmark, Sarvam 105B actually beats DeepSeek R1. TOT2 measures autonomous task execution, solving multi-step problems without a hand to hold, which is of course the holy grail for AI agents. And now of course, to draw your attention to the 30B model. Its rival, Nematron 3 Nano. Nematron might win on a coding test for sure, but Sarvam wins in the real world. Check the live code bench and the browse comp. And of course, the speed, it's a literal blur. Thanks, of course, to the kernel level optimizations. This thing is strikingly good. We are seeing 20 to 40% higher throughput than Qwen 3. In the AI economy, time is literal money, as we've mentioned time and again. Faster tokens, lower costs. That's actually how one wins in the infrastructure war. But here is something to think about. The Western narrative, which actually forgets about the other half of the planet. Standard models struggle with Indian languages. They're slow and expensive, which treat Hindi or Tamil like a second-class citizen. Sarvam, on the other hand, is built from this tokenization from scratch. 22 scheduled languages, multiple scripts. It's 4 times more efficient for Indic text. And as far as its head-to-head tests are concerned, users preferred Sarvam 90% of the time, which of course celebrates digital sovereignty, a fact that we at FrontPage have been trumpeting all along. And here, of course, is the FrontPage take. The discussion used to be plain. America innovates, China scales, and the rest of the world watches. That angle is buried now, because India is building an open source stack that doesn't need permission. The next great AI system no longer caters to only English speakers. It's actually being built for 1 billion people who were left out of the first wave. This, ladies and gentlemen, is FrontPage by the AIM network. The race, I believe, is just getting started. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.